Yeah, and we talked over lunch about with the market right now, there's been a little bit of a shift, right? So it used to be where it was very much a seller's market, zero inventory, and I mean, you were giving up contingencies left and right, and you were one of 50 offers on a particular property. There's more inventory on the market, almost threefold in the Dallas market. But from an international standpoint, have you seen a little bit? Is there a shift? What does it look like on the international scale? Whether it comes from are rates higher? Is there more? Are there more homes that are on the market, or is it just red hot and they're not experiencing what we're experiencing here?
Well, rates are going up just like they are here. I will tell you, most developers, we have plenty of inventory.
Okay.
So when you talk about having 50 offers here, and you and I both know our clients are spending more money than the houses are actually worth here, and over appraisal, because we're all signing appraisal waivers. You're not seeing that in much of Mexico.
Okay.
You're buying at the current market, and what you're buying it for is what it's worth.
So it's a balanced market there.
Yeah, it's a balanced market. Is there a little bit shortage of inventory? No, not at all. But there is a lot of people buying there. So they're building it, and as soon as they're building it, things fly off the shelves.
Okay, so a lot of developers, they're not halting plans, they're not cutting back, they're meeting the demand.
Most developers throughout the Caribbean and all the countries in the Bahamas and the BVI's, they will tell you they've had their best 2 years ever these last couple years.
Yeah.
And it's not, most are not seeing slowdowns yet. With our current situation, who knows what's going to happen?
Sure.
But right now, they're really doing well, these last couple years with the pandemic.
And is it mostly Americans that are buying there, or are they coming from all other countries?
Like in the Riviera Maya, Texans are the first #1 buyer group.
Okay.
Canadians are close behind.
Sure.
And then the Asians are buying, the Russians are buying, the Europeans are buying, everybody's buying. But in the Riviera Maya, it's Texas first. And then on the flip side, in Baja, Mexico, it's probably California first.
Okay, that makes sense, yeah.
And then the Canadians. Canadians going to Mexico, it's the first blue water warm beaches that they can reach.
Right.
There's more and more flights coming out of Canada, so we're seeing a ton of Canadians there. And then when you get to the BVI's and the Bahamas and stuff, it's the world is buying all that stuff.
Because Europe, because from just from a geographical standpoint, it's pretty easy for Europe to go to the Eastern Caribbean, right?
Yeah,
so
they're having to take a stop often.
Yeah.
But those areas are capturing the world, and of course, there's other places that have a lot of second home purchasing, and just an example might be Portugal.
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of people, and including people from the U.S., are buying in Portugal. Okay. Well, other parts of the world, they love Portugal. Buying in Italy. Italy's good. Everybody wants the flat in Paris. Second homes are on the rise.
So our last name is Bruno, right? But I'm the world's worst Italian. I've never been to Italy. I've been all over Asia. I've been all over Europe, but I've yet to visit Italy, and I'm almost scared to because I think I'll just stay there.
It's on my list. I hear it's beautiful.
Because it has the food, it has the culture. Obviously, I have the just the familiar aspect of being Italian, but I mean, I think I would fall in love with the place.
Yeah,
it would be hard. I think we would have to put down roots there, right?
Yeah, most do. So
yeah.
I think the second home market, I think it's going to remain strong.